scratching at the screen door. Kitty-O, scratching at the screen door. Little bag of bones been out all night. He needs some petting and loving on his head. He needs some petting and loving on his rain-soaked hide. He's circling around my ankle. He's circling around my ankle. He needs some petting and loving on his hide. Hey kitty, won't you come inside? Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I want to touch it. Meow, 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 meow. A pussy bird and looking so satisfied. A pussy bird and looking so satisfied. I'm lost in his little yellow round eye. Lost in his little yellow round eye. Pussy bird and looking so satisfied. Kitty rap and scratch me through my jeans. Kitty rap and scratch me through my jeans. Fuck you, kitty-o, gonna spend the night. Fuck you, kitty-o, gonna spend the night. Fuck you, kitty-o, gonna spend the night outside. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I wanna touch it. Kitty, I'm a foot and I want to touch it. Touch it. I wanna 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 touch it. Yeah, touch it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, touch it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, touch it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, get it, touch it. Get it in my foot and I want to touch it.
Gentlemen, the record you're about to hear not only clears me of a murder charge, but also exposes a tremendous international conspiracy. A conspiracy, gentlemen, which seeks to destroy civilization. Listen.
Eliminating whackness is my practice. Yo!
So a little update. We're waiting here for the burgers. It's only been like 2 seconds, so it's not like it's been a long time. These guys are really fast with the food. They're really good. But Timmy Boy's already sweating. How do you feel, man? What's the game plan going into this? What's the strategy, dude?
Fast.
Oh yeah, just get it done. A lot of bread around it.
Yeah.
A lot of bread. Like I would think, like I'd get as much bread as I could, but you know, burgers.
Is there bread though? Is there bread?
Yeah, you got to have a little bread. I think bread's only appropriate.
No, dude, you get your burger and you get fries. You can have ketchup, fries. You can have all the ketchup you want, but it doesn't help. No, I know. There's more shit to eat.
just more shit to eat. Just more shit to
And
eat.
fries don't help. Fries make you feel like you're gonna throw up.
So you need to eat all of it. That's right.
All right, so that's the thing then. You think that's the strategy? Do you just focus on the burger and then do the fries afterwards?
If you stop, you will not finish.
You'd have to
It
eat the
just gets
fries.
worse and worse for about 2 hours before it goes away.
Oh, 2 hours. Okay, that's no big deal.
You just, if you stop, you won't finish. You gotta eat it all at once.
2 hours of pain. Here we go.
Here we go.